Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today in this video we are going to cover word sums of all chapters of class 10 subject mathematics. Let's start. So this sum is of page number 77 of state syllabus of state Telangana. So think and discuss. In this second sum, the coach of cricket team of MK Nagar High School buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3900. Later he buys one more bat and 2 balls for rupees 1300. Identify the unknowns in each situation. So guys, in this situation we are dealing with cricket, related to cricket, that is bats and balls. We are dealing with bats and balls, two unknowns here. So we considered bat is some unknown and ball is some unknown. So we took here they're asking to find unknowns. What are unknowns here? That's it. Okay, but for your understanding, I have represented even the above situation into linear equation form. How can we represent the sum into linear equation form? So in the examination, they don't ask all this. They will ask how to please identify the unknowns here. But for your understanding, I elaborated the sum. Okay, how can we represent the given situation into linear equation format? Now, let bat be x and ball be y. Take some unknowns here. Take some variables. Now, okay. Now, according to the given sum, what is given? The cost of 3 bats, 6 balls is rupees 1300. So, what we took? Bats is x, ball is y, right? So, 3 into x plus 6 into y minus 1300 equals 0. Okay. Now, the cost of 1 bat and 2 balls is 1300. So, what we assume? Bat is x, so that is 1 into x, ball is y, so 2 into y equal to 1300. So this is a format how to represent into linear equation format. I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.